Hello students, the last video of manufacturing industries. In this, we are going to study about the industrial pollution and environmental degradation. As you know that industries are the significance of the development or the economic growth of any country. So it is very important, the industries are very important for any country's development and growth. But is subsequently affect on the environmental degradation, and that is the reason we have to tackle all these development on the basis of while taking the industry's development we have to take care of the pollution and degradation of the land, air, water and noise, everything. The pollution industries also include thermal power plants also. Let me tell you about the air pollution. Air pollution means emitting or emission of carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide in the air that makes air pollution, and due to the chimneys of industries, the power or the heat which is produced by the chimneys, they are the reason, they are the leading to global warming and greenhouse effect. And use of the CFC in industrial industries, they produce heat so much that it depletes the ozone layer in with the ozone layer which protect the ultraviolet rays of the sun to come on the earth to us. And air pollution affect the human health also, the animals, plants alike, and damage to the buildings also. Buildings like Taj Mahal and other buildings, they are affected by the pollution of the air, and that is why they are becoming black and other colors. The color of the buildings, monuments are changing. Next pollution is water pollution. Dumping of organic and inorganic industrial waste into water bodies pollute the water. Means the all of the industrial waste they used to dump in the earth crust na, and that depletes or that pollute the water of the earth. Okay, what underground water, even water pollution is also called the discharge of the untreated waste materials, chemical waste. Like we have studied now, all the chemical industries, they give us a lot of development, but due to those industries, the chemical waste are discharged in the water bodies, and due to that the water is polluted. Industries which produce paper, pulp, chemicals and all, they give out or discharge chemical waste, and that makes water, aquatic animals, aquatic plants to die. Okay, that is why aquatic life is also danger in due to these industries. Thermal pollution is, thermal means all the heat. The thermal pollution of water occurs when hot water from the factories are discharged. Thermal plants are drained or discharged into the rivers, the ponds, that makes before cooling it, they make water pollution. And the next pollution is noise pollution. Noise pollution not only irritates and anger, it can cause hearing impairment, heart attack among the nearby people. Next is control of environmental degradation. How can we increase our development and increase our economic growth with not degrading the water, air, land and other things? Minimizing use of water for processing by reusing and recycling in 2 or more successive stages. Harvesting of rainwater to meet water requirements. Treating hot water and effluent before releasing them in rivers and ponds. Treatment of industrial effluent can be done in 3 phases. Primary treatment, by mechanical means. This involves screening, grinding, flocculation and sedimentation. Secondary treatment by biological process. These are the things we can follow and we can help to control the environment degradation. The last topic is NTPC is a major power providing corporation in India. Is a major power providing corporation. What is this? NTPC. NTPC is an environmental management system. This it has a ISO certification for EMS, environmental management system 14001. The corporation has a proactive approach for preserving the natural environment and resources like water, oil, gas, and fuels in places where it is a setting of power plants. Thank you very much, students.